Hi guys, Wagwan. Alright, so as the title suggests, I tested my green screen and this video is just a brief compilation of some things that I've done with the green screen so far. Alright guys, hear what I want you to tell me in the comment section if you think this clip, this now me talking, is a green screen, or if you think I'm really where you see me, wherever that is. Do you think it's a green screen or is it real? Let me know in the comment section. Enjoy the few clips. They're so hilarious. I laugh so much. They might not be hilarious to you, I don't know, because I'm not really a funny person, but I laughed when I was doing it. It was so nice for me. So I did it because I miss Jamaica, I miss the warmth, and I'm like, okay, if I can't go there, I'm gonna create it. Alright guys, so let me know in the comment section if this clip now that I'm talking to you in is a green screen or is it real. Alright, enjoy the clips. Hi guys, welcome to Beach Vibes TV, where we find all of the tourists them and terrorize them and ask them questions about Jamaica. Hi guys, welcome to Black Set Tea Talk Show. In today's episode, we have a very special guest right out of Jamaica, the vacation tourist. Hi guys, greetings mommy, New York.